What do you think? Go over there and look at it. You should be so proud.
I like this. Yeah. Who did the fingers? Look, this one is mine. Wow. This is mine.
So here's what we did. We couldn't get together in the same room. Come on over, Michelle. We couldn't get together in the same room, so we got on Zoom like everybody else. And we each person that was involved painted one square. So there's 16 canvases that are 16 by 16 inches. And then you got on Zoom with your mentor, and that person helped you get your painting done. The outside, the top row and the bottom row were done by Boys and Girls Club kids. And then the middle two rows were done by art education students. And they were, what you guys were doing, and then I'm going to let you explain how you feel about it. What they were doing is they were painting or illustrating intercultural harmony. And remember, you guys talked to Miss Victoria about what that is and what words came to mind? Mm-hmm. And so that's where you are. We also have, we have some more art education students. We have Michelle here, Lexi, and Sophie. And I'm going to just get out of the way, and I'm going to let you guys talk about your projects, since you were the ones who did.
So yeah, at first when Maggie proposed the idea, it was very scary. We weren't really sure how it was going to turn out, but we think it came out really, really great. And I'm very proud of everything that the Boys and Girls Club students did and everything that the art ed students did. And I'm very happy with how it came out. So,
yeah.
It's my turn.
All right, Miss Jana.
Okay. For the thing, I liked it because when they first gave it to us, I didn't think I was really gonna do that well, and I messed up a few times too, and I didn't think I was gonna do that well. But then when we finished it, it looks amazing, so I love it.
Good.
All right, Queen.
So I really liked the painting. I think I did very good on it, and I like how they all went together. But at first, I didn't think I was going to do that good. But then it turned out being really pretty.
Stephanie?
I liked it so much. It's amazing. It's pretty. And I feel proud of myself and everybody else.
Yeah.
I feel like first I thought it was gonna be like kind of messed up. I messed up a few times, but then I retried and got it good enough to where like it can be set up, and so like I feel good about it.
I didn't think it was gonna turn out that good when we started doing it, cause I don't paint a lot, but then like I looked at it and it's really pretty, and yeah.
And you're pretty proud of it. Yeah. Lexi?
Yeah, so at first I was, like Michelle said, the task was like really daunting, but Leah took up to it like really quickly, and like she said, she kept working and we both got it done, and I'm really proud of the work she did and the thought she put behind it.
Well, I know we all thought it was going to be really challenging to do this project over Zoom, being that it all has to coordinate together, but I think it actually it wasn't that hard at all. I think we all did a great job.
So what I want you to know is that I really am proud of the work that you guys did, and that you were brave enough to try and talk about something pretty hard to talk about. Intercultural harmony is pretty hard to talk about, isn't it? It's kind of painful, and it kind of makes us sad a little bit that people can't get along. But I think we've shown that we can get along even in very, very difficult situations. And so I think that this mural really illustrates what people can do when they decide to work together and they have a common message.
Even though our paintings are different and that we are all different, the painting makes us think that and remember that we are all the same, and at the end of the day, we are all human.
Well, I want to thank the Boys and Girls Club. I want to thank Miss Victoria especially, because I don't know how you did that. Really, like I was always amazed when we got hooked up. I was just like, wow, okay, it worked. Yay, let's go for it. I want to thank the Boys and Girls Club kids, because you guys did an amazing job.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I want to thank my students for being really phenomenal art teachers already. You guys are already top of your game. And then I want to thank Jane Childress for sponsoring this and thinking that this mural was important enough to sort of invest in, thinking that our artwork was important enough to invest in, and for caring so much about her community that she wanted to contribute through her organization. So, and then thank you for everyone coming out and getting video and paying attention to what we've done. So thank you.